Hi, we're cooking beef noodles today. It's really simple, easy, and delicious. Here we go. Get a roast. I got mine from Aldi. Cut them into big cubes. Make sure they're not too small because the beef will fall apart after cooking. Rinse the beef a couple of times to wash the blood out. Put them in your Instant Pot. Add enough water to cover the beef. And then add that much water again into the pot. Add some cooking wine, soy sauce. Add the spices in. I'll put the list in the description. Some boiled eggs, but totally optional. Salt, or you can add it later when we cook noodles. Slow cook for 10 hours. I usually do them at night. In the next morning, they're done. Cook your favorite noodles. This is the kind I have. After they're done, rinse your noodles in cold water. Set the noodles aside. This is what the beef soup looks like after it's done. Add some soup and beef in the saucepan. When the soup is boiling, add the noodles. Add some salt. They're ready when the soup is boiling again. Now you have your homemade, simple, easy, delicious, healthy noodles that you can have anytime. If you freeze some of the soup, you can heat it up and have it whenever you want to. Before you go, please like and subscribe. Thank you.